Right, we need HU66, trusty GT85. Let's go. Let's get this unlocked. I've only just started, to be honest. Like, only started just being online, but it's under the same name, ViALOCKS. I've only just started posting on there. I have to get with the times. Yeah, everything is online now. Thank you. Oh, okay. What is it you do? Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, wow. There you go. Done. Where's the key?
Key at the back.
Okay, you have to climb through and grab it. Easy as that. Done. You lock your keys in your car and you're in the Northamptonshire area. That's ViALOCKS to the rescue. Let's go.